This is a video walkthrough tour of 2427 East Marmora Street in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this fantastic 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, plus bonus sunroom in Central Phoenix. It is in a great location, just minutes from local shops and dining. The 5 bedrooms are nice and spacious and provide lots of flex space, perfect for any tenant. This home has recently undergone some remodel work and also comes with solar. The bonus sunroom is truly perfect for relaxation or can serve as a work-from-home space or den. And the spacious laundry comes with a washer and dryer for added convenience. Here we have the kitchen, which boasts a super convenient layout and connects 2 sides of the home. Notice the lovely open floor plan, giving the space a light feel. The kitchen, living, and dining spaces come together to form the heart of the home. The living room also features a cozy fireplace. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The rear yard is beautifully landscaped and also features a covered patio with an outdoor seating area. And finally, here we have the primary bedroom with its own private bathroom. Thanks for watching.